Happy September.
Yeah, first day of school.
First day of school. We have some great snacks that you might want to pack in the school lunch.
Absolutely. So the summer heat is still here, and we have some great refreshing recipes made with Wisconsin cheese and some fresh melon. So it's fresh, delicious, healthy. We're going to start on this side, Mark, with your favorite.
This one looks
good. I know
good.
you're a fan of Wisconsin feta cheese. So we have a watermelon pick with Wisconsin feta. Super easy. Just cube up the watermelon. I laid a little piece of mint on there as well with some feta. I know you're going to like that. It's nice and refreshing. Of course, Wisconsin makes a lot of feta cheese. We're one of the leaders in feta. So when you see that proudly Wisconsin badge on Athenos or all the other brands, you know it's from Wisconsin. Next, we have the fresh mozzarella skewer that's also super colorful. We have cantaloupe, honeydew, some fresh mozzarella, and then you'll notice a little protein, some prosciutto on there as well. So really fun for the kids. You could even pack it in their lunchbox. And again, this is the fresh mozzarella from Belgium that's sold across the country.
Yeah, it is. This is good stuff.
Yeah. A fun fact about Wisconsin is 90% of our milk is made into cheese, and 90% of that is sold outside the state. So a lot of this cheese is sold across the country. Really exciting. My favorite here is the Havarti honeydew stacks, very colorful as well. There's the honeydew melon with some Wisconsin Havarti cheese in the middle, and then a little basil and a drizzled little honey on there as well. So you get that great flavor combination of the sweet and the salty, the basil, the mint, perfect combination.
And Havarti comes from where?
This one is made, we have several great Havarti producers. This one's made in Monroe, Wisconsin from the Roth Cheese Factory. So local favorite.
Yeah, it really is.
Yeah. Lastly, we have a fresh and refreshing watermelon salad that has a tequila lime dressing. So there's, again, lots of fresh melons, there's pineapple, there's mangoes, the honeydew, cilantro, red onion, and a little queso fresco cheese as well. So just a really fun way to serve Wisconsin cheeses. Pair it with fresh melon, fun way to entertain your guests, and you can find all of these recipes on wisconsincheese.com.
And it'd be fun to get the kids to help
Absolutely. Too. They can make these in like 3 easy steps.
So this is your favorite?
Yes, this is my favorite, but you can try whichever one you like. I know that you said you like the fresh watermelon. The mint and the watermelon are really a great combination together as well.
Try this one and get off the air.
Okay.
I won't be able to speak. So how many different specialty cheeses?
600 different varieties, types, and styles that we produce here in Wisconsin, and we make half of the nation's artisanal specialty cheeses. So we really are the state of cheese here, Mark.
We're America's Dairyland.
We are America's Dairyland, the state of cheese. So we're so proud of the fact that we continue to win more awards than any other state or country.
Yeah.
So cheers to cheese.
WisconsinCheese.com for all the recipes and all sorts of cheese fun facts.
Yeah.
Angie, thanks for being with us today.
Have a great week.
I'm going to try this.